Here's an OMAHA truck bed. It's 8 foot wide, 14 foot, 4 inches long, I think. It's got your headache rack on it. And that'll come off. It's a very nice rack, 40 inches tall, mat back, screen wire. The underneath the bed looks pretty decent too. We'll video it. Let's see here. It's got a 6-inch channel iron on it. The channel irons are 34 inches on the outside. 6 inches tall, 34 inches. That'll fit a wagon if you want to put it on a wagon even. The bed is straight right here. I don't think it's a problem. These boards, and they're not soft or anything. They're just a little bit weathered on top, just right in here. Like I say, it's stout. Right here is a rear bumper for it. You put that on, and that is keeps stuff from running under you, and that goes with it.